What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters away. I see you haters. I'm getting away. I'm going.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. All right, today we got another install, you know what I'm saying? Product exhaust install for you guys. You know my man Ricky, RLS Exhaust. You already see RLSexhaust.com. You know what I'm saying? If you need to get you some parts, my man got intakes, he got exhausts, he got grills. If you need one, you can hit him up on his website. So right now, today, what we're gonna be doing, we got the RLS Echo series. You know what I'm saying? It was a prototype for a while. They didn't have a name for it, but he came up with a name. It's the Echo series. So we're gonna be doing an install on Fred today, and let you hear the sound of this. You know what I'm saying? So quick install, quick and fast. As you can see, he did the he blacked it out, ceramic black coat. That's gonna hold the heat down all the way through. You know what I'm saying? All the way around. That's gonna hold the heat down. It's gonna radiate less heat for you guys. I know some of you guys complain about the heat on your leg. This is another option for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So let's do the quick install and show you how this sounds. As you know, Ricky, all his exhausts, he gives you a bunch of stickers with it. He gives you a bunch of cards, and he gives you a spring puller. So I'm gonna do the quick install and show you how it sounds. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off so everyone knows. If you don't know, 15 millimeter, 1 bolt, 2 springs, simple as that. So I'm gonna be pulling off my BKD prototype series, which is gonna be available for you guys in the fall. But right now, if you're looking for exhaust, you can grab yourself RLS Echo series. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how it sounds. All right, guys, so as you can see, that's it. You know what I'm saying? That was a real-time install for the exhaust. So you can see it's not that hard, not that it takes that long to do. So if you're thinking about getting an exhaust and don't know if you can do it, you see how fast that was? Taking a look at it, just take a look at it. You see how it sits nicely? It actually goes with the angle of the swing arm right here. It sits behind the swing arm, so if you're nervous about getting one of the exhausts that stick out a little further and burning yourself, Trust me, this one's not gonna do that to you. Looks good on there, looks good on there. So let's get this started up. Give you guys a quick sound test on this one. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that, yo. I actually like it, you know what I'm saying? So some people complain about exhaust being too loud. That exhaust is not loud at all, you know what I'm saying? It has a good sound, it sounds good. Once you get up on there, I went by you guys at 40 miles per hour. Same thing I'm gonna do with the BKD prototype series. I'm gonna go around by you about 40 miles per hour so you can compare the difference. It's a good sound, so, you know what I'm saying? I like it, but you know me, I gotta roll with BKD. My man A, we're gonna be having this on, man. We're gonna be putting this on my man A, Cold Wisdom 88's bike. So you're definitely gonna hear more of it. You're gonna hear it at higher speeds and see if it gets any louder than it is now. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit up RLS.com to get you one of these if you need one of these. All right. All right, guys. So y'all just heard how the RLS exhaust. Y'all just heard how the RLS. All right, guys. Y'all just heard how the RLS exhaust Echo series just sounded. So now I'm gonna let y'all hear the prototype BKD exhaust that I got on my bike. Y'all see it. We put in the RLS exhaust. We're gonna be putting on A's bike. Right now, A was busy, so I just had to throw it on my bike right now to make the video for you guys. So now we're just gonna let y'all hear how this prototype exhaust sound at BKD. All right. So quick drive by for you guys.